In the real world, data is changing all the time, leading to a loss of harmonization and synchronization within multiple departments of an organization. As a result, data quality becomes questionable. Prospectus MDO overcomes that problem to deliver trustworthy and reliable data through better mediation, management, and governance of your master and transactional data. MDO has solutions for data health, data cleansing and standardization, data migration, rules and RPA-based data management, and a complete data governance in a collaborative framework. Managing quality data within SAP has always been a challenge. Digital initiatives and compliance have made data as a key focus area for all types of organizations. MDO for SAP includes solutions for SAP plant maintenance, spares and materials, suppliers, customers, and finance, helping businesses get a better ROI on their SAP investments. It can run on the SAP Cloud Platform, and it can even help clients prepare for S/4HANA migration. A CRM is only as good as the quality of its data. MDO for Salesforce helps you to clean and govern data for your accounts and contacts with a compliance framework. Available on cloud, it gives you the power to define and maintain rules in this dynamic environment of data without any technical skills. Get control of your data. Get MDO now. MDO. Data you can trust.